I'm here at our family cabin, and there's this road that we use to access it. And there's about 9 different cabins worth of traffic here. And there's a ditch that runs along the hillside here. And if we get a heavy rain, or if there's a lot of debris built up here, then this, Quill, get out of the way. Then this 6-inch pipe is easily fouled. So we're replacing it with 12-inch culvert. Same stuff that I did behind my house. Dad's on the excavator. It's a Yanmar Vio 20, 5,000 pound machine. And we're just gonna dig beside the old pipe to save the old pipe. Because if you try digging on top with those teeth, it'll just rip holes in it.
You want me to see if I can wiggle that pipe now? Yeah, go ahead. What's that, Mark? From about here up, you got about 12 or 15 inches of dirt and gravel. Yeah. It's can you just, even if you knock it down, might help to lift that pipe up out of there. Okay. Okay. That stuff should be fairly loose there. Yeah. All right. I thought this would be all sandy. Isn't that what you guys thought? Oh yeah. Everything I've ever dug around here is so easy. Get a pair of gloves to come down there? I think I got it. Sure. Yeah, there's the other pipe right there. We drove that in there pretty good, Norm. Yeah.
I can move my camera.
Good job. expendable. That's what I was wondering. Pick up and push in on it. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
We're in. Hold the push, Bob.
Maybe you can down there and push, Bob. Oh.
That's enough, I'm sure.
Yeah, it's in.
It could go a little more, but once we put some dirt on it, you can use the excavator.
Well, if you want to roll it down in there, I'll go down on that end and.
Okay.
I was gonna say I'd put it in as far as.
Yeah. Let me get down there and help Bob hold on to it. A couple of you guys push from that end.
Well, let me get out of the ditch.
You're gonna put it back in the ditch first?
Ready?
Yeah.
Watch it pop apart going in.
Yeah, wait, push it together first. I thought we were going to push it together first.
Oh.
If we pop it in the, I'm afraid if we roll it down in there, it might pop apart.
Okay.
There you go, you're getting it.
Lift up on your end. There, you went about a ½ inch more.
You guys want quite a bit.
I don't think it's gonna pop apart now.
Yeah, if we roll it in the ditch and then put the dirt on it.
Okay. Watch yourself, Bob.
We'll kind of roll it at the same time. There we go.
Well, the neighbor's going to use his Deere 970 with a front loader and a back blade to smooth this out the rest of the way. But it's pretty much done.
Yeah, that's good. Oh no, I can smooth that up. And like I said, when I get this set, I can go in here with my blade a couple times a year and just drag the leaves and sticks out and clean it up.
Right.
We also had to clear out some of the stitch. It was a high spot.
You put your blade in there, Mark? Or?
So it's finally draining.
Up here I usually use my